What if I told you that one simple piece of furniture you already own could help you stay stronger, move easier, and live with more confidence every single day? That's right. Your chair can be your best workout partner. Welcome to our channel Core Health 365. In today's video, we'll walk you through safe, fun, and effective moves designed specifically for older adults. Whether you're at home, in a community center, or even in the office, these chair exercises will help you boost your strength, balance, and flexibility without needing to get down on the floor or use expensive equipment. Grab a sturdy chair without wheels, sit tall, and let's get moving together. Before we begin, a few important notes. Always choose a stable chair with no wheels. Place it on a flat, non-slippery surface. Sit tall with both feet flat on the floor, and keep your core gently engaged. If you feel pain, dizziness, or discomfort at any time, stop immediately and rest. Remember, these exercises should challenge you, but never cause sharp pain. If you have medical concerns, check with your doctor before starting any new exercise program. Let's begin with a short warm-up to wake up the body and prepare our muscles. First, neck rolls. Slowly roll your neck in a circle, first clockwise, then counterclockwise. Secondly, shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders toward your ears, roll them back, then down. Repeat several times, then reverse direction. Third one is seated marching. Lift one knee, then the other, as if marching in place while seated. Pump your arms gently for extra circulation. Great job. Your body is ready. Let's move into our new chair exercises. Exercise number 1, seated arm raises. Sit tall, feet flat on the ground. Extend both arms straight down by your sides. Slowly raise them out to the sides until they reach shoulder level, then lower them back down. This strengthens your shoulders and improves posture, which is essential for daily activities like lifting groceries or reaching overhead. Let's do 10 slow and steady repetitions together. Breathe out as you lift, breathe in as you lower. Next, we have seated leg extensions. Sit tall with both feet flat. Extend one leg forward, straightening your knee, and hold for 2 seconds. Slowly lower it back down. Switch legs. This strengthens your thighs and supports knee health, making walking and standing easier. Let's do 8 reps on each leg. Remember to sit tall and avoid locking your knee. Exercise number 3, seated torso twists. Cross your arms over your chest. Keeping your back tall, slowly rotate your upper body to the right, then return to center. Now twist to the left. This improves spinal flexibility and helps with daily movements like turning to check traffic or reaching for something behind you. Let's do 8 twists each way. Move gently, don't force the twist. Now, seated knee lifts. Place your hands lightly on the chair for support. Lift one knee up toward your chest, then lower it down. Switch sides. This strengthens your hip flexors and core, supporting better balance and walking. Let's aim for 10 lifts per leg. Keep your movements controlled. Exercise number 5, seated side bends. Sit tall, feet flat. Place your right hand down by your side. Reach your left arm overhead and gently bend toward the right, feeling a stretch through your side. Return to center. Switch sides. This exercise improves flexibility in your torso and helps with daily movements like bending to pick up objects. Let's do 6 bends on each side. Remember to breathe deeply. Up next, seated heel raises. Place both feet flat on the ground. Lift your heels so you're on the balls of your feet, then lower them slowly. This strengthens your calves and improves circulation in your legs, which is especially helpful if you sit for long periods. Let's do 12 heel raises together. Exhale as you lift. Inhale as you lower. Now for a fun coordination challenge. Seated arm and leg combo. Raise your right arm overhead while extending your left leg forward. Lower both, then switch sides. This exercise improves coordination, engages your core, and boosts brain-body connection. Let's try 8 reps each side. Move slowly and stay focused. Exercise number 8, seated row. Extend both arms forward. Imagine you're holding resistance bands. Pull your elbows back, squeezing your shoulder blades together, then release forward. This strengthens your upper back and improves posture, helping prevent slouching. Let's do 10 repetitions. Exhale as you pull back. Inhale as you release. Next is seated ankle circles. Lift one foot slightly off the floor and slowly rotate your ankle clockwise, then counterclockwise. Switch sides. This improves circulation, reduces stiffness, and helps with ankle flexibility for safer walking. Do 5 circles each way per ankle. Move slowly and smoothly. Our final exercise is the seated posture hold. Sit tall, feet flat, arms extended forward. Gently pull your shoulders back and engage your core. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds. This builds postural endurance, helping you sit and stand taller in daily life. Let's hold together for 20 seconds. Relax, then repeat once more. Wonderful work. Let's cool down with some light stretches. First, seated forward fold. Slowly bend forward, letting arms dangle toward the floor. Secondly, overhead stretch. Raise both arms overhead, clasp hands, stretch upward. And then next stretch. Tilt your head gently side to side. Take a deep breath in and out. You did it. These new chair exercises for seniors are simple, safe, and powerful. Doing them just a few times each week can make a huge difference in your strength, balance, and overall independence. Remember, small daily movements add up to big health benefits. If you found it helpful, please like and share this video with your loved ones who could use these exercises, and don't forget to subscribe for more senior-friendly fitness routines. Thank you for joining us today. Stay strong, stay active, and we'll see you in the next session.